guys, it is a Saturday and I'm gonna just kind of take you through all the things that I do to catch up on Saturdays. Usually we get some chores done in the morning, I get ready for the day, and then I just kind of catch up on things that I don't have time to do during the week because I'm homeschooling my kids and doing activities and things. So this is gonna be a Saturday, get it all done with me. I hope you enjoy this video and like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this.
I've been loving everything you are. Your eyes alone are the brightest stars. I could stand you all night, just drinking in your sunlight. Get me in love tonight. You put all the stars in my eyes. Get me in love tonight. You tell me I light up the whole sky. Get me in love tonight. You put all the stars in my eyes. Get me in love tonight. You tell me I light up the whole sky. Our dreams are where you'll find me. You're the only thing I see. Our dreams are where you'll find me. Your lips like galaxies. They tell us we're crazy, but we're just dreaming and hoping for. They tell us not to pray, love is so fleeting, like distant shores, like comets and daydreams, but we're still scheming and hoping for everything they can't believe. Can we love tonight? You put all the stars in my eyes. Can we love tonight? You tell me I light up the whole sky. Can we love tonight? You put all the stars in my eyes. Can we love tonight? You tell me I light up the whole sky. But we're just dreaming, hoping love will come our way.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. oh, oh.